And if you want to see how I got this after, make sure you stay tuned and enjoy. So I'm going to use this hydrating macadamia oil shampoo and conditioner. And I believe you can find this at your local Walmart. So right when my hair is fresh out of braids or fresh out of a protective style, I like to apply my shampoo with my hair dry. I like to make sure that I get all of the shampoo at my roots first. Then I go in and dampen my hair and work that shampoo in. So now I'm going to start adding some water so that that shampoo can just lather up on my scalp. And then after I get a nice lather on my scalp, then I will go over to the shower and rinse the shampoo out so that the length of my hair can get washed, and add a little bit more shampoo as well in the shower. For me, this way is just easier. I find if I go in and just wet all of my hair at one time, it's a little hard for me to concentrate on my roots, which is what's actually the most dirty. So this way is just an easier method for me. This also gives me an opportunity to do a little finger detangling as well. Now this is after I rinsed out the shampoo and I conditioned in the shower using the hydrating macadamia oil conditioner. So now I'm going to go in with this comb attachment on my blow dryer, and I used this blow dryer in a previous video, so make sure you check those out. But I'm just going to use this same blow dryer. This is my favorite blow dryer, and I'm going to blow dry my hair. I like to use this blow dryer when I'm flat ironing my hair so that my hair can get as straight as possible. That way my flat ironing job will not be that hard. As you all can see, I am in dire need of a trim. Today I'm only going to trim a little bit, not a lot. You will see when I turn around that it's a lot more that I can take off, but today I'm only going to do a little bit. If you are enjoying this video, please make sure that you subscribe. I'm having a 500 giveaway really soon, so make sure that you all subscribe so that you can enter my giveaway. My hair is 4 weeks post relaxer. So if you have not seen how I Texlax my hair, please make sure you check that video out. Now for the flat ironing process, I'm just going to part my hair in half. I'm going to have the back section in 2 sections and the front section in 3 sections. And here you can see how I do that. So it's been a few years since I flat ironed my hair. So it was crazy how you don't do something in a long time and you kind of forget, how your hands should be and the placement, because doing your own hair is completely different than doing somebody else's hair. So this was very interesting, but I was pleased with the results. And it's been a while since I've had like twists or braids or something like that, crochet, all of that. It's been a while since I've done that. I've lately just been doing my hair the way that I do it in the sections under my units and just been wearing wigs. So I was actually surprised at how long my hair was. I kind of want to try something new. Now that I see the length, I really want to try some twists since it's been getting hotter. So if you would like to see that, make sure you comment about that below. Here I'm just kind of showing you how I flat iron the top. And I love these flat irons. They are not as hot as a lot of flat irons, but they get the job done. I only do about one pass. As you can see, I have breakage in the crown. And instead of just cutting all of that off, I'm going to do a light trim and just pray that it catches up with the rest of the hair. If you are not following me on Instagram, please go ahead and do that. My name is Chanel_eclectic. I want to try something new with my hair, maybe like a different color bob or a different texture wig or something like that. See how you can see the empty spaces in the back? That is the damage. So I'm going to pull my hair back into a ponytail and try to clip the end of the ponytail. And I tried to do this with my left hand and it didn't really work. I was uncoordinated, so I had to flip it to my right hand so that I could actually cut the hair. And when I said a light trim, I really meant a light trim. So for the front, I'm going to pull these two pieces forward and trim that section. And then I'm going to trim the rest of the side based off of that piece. And the next couple of times that I wash my hair, I'll probably cut off a little bit each time. That way I can kind of get rid of a lot of the split ends and damage that I have on my ends. I am Tex-Lax, so the majority of my hair is now thick and fluffy, but toward the ends it's still a little of that over processed ends and split ends and stuff like that. So eventually all of that is going to have to go. Here I just kind of laid the hair over my shoulder, and I like to do this with a white shirt so that I can really see what needs to go. Now I'm going to go through and cut off a little bit more. And doing this on yourself is a little difficult. So I'm just going through with my little sections and just cutting off a little bit of those scraggly ends. So this is what my hair looks like now. As you can see, it looks better, but it's still more that eventually has to go. And this is my ponytail. I haven't had a ponytail this long in a while, so it lets me know that all of the things that I've been doing are really working. So I really hope you all enjoyed this video.